How to create profile in LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create profile in LinkedIn. Well, the profile creation in LinkedIn is pretty simple. Once you're logged in, now if you are logged in or signed in, once you do so, then you can simply open up your application to LinkedIn. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here options will load up, and you want to tap on view profile option. Once you tap on view profile, now you'll be able to view your profile. Here you can see that I haven't set up my profile or the banner. You can simply set up your banner by tapping on the camera icon there, and you can upload it or take a photo. Similarly, you can do so for your profile picture by tapping on the plus icon there. Once you do so, now in order to edit your information here, your profile information, you can tap on the edit icon, the pencil icon that you'll find at the right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to view your details here, and you can simply go ahead and edit it here. Your intro, your first name, last name, current position of you can add new positions, you can add industries, locations, cities, contact info, website link, and such. Once you do so here, now you can tap on verify now, and you can go ahead and verify your account as well. Now you can see you can add which industry do you work in. Down below you'll be able to see your analytics, and your resources, activities. Now you can add your experience, interest, and further below here on your profile. So this is the way that you can create profile in LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.